Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to our video. I just finished cleaning the chain on this bike. It's pretty shiny silver down there. And I looped it. Well, we're gonna go do a photo at a place. They see me rolling. Also, I just installed another mirror on the right side because it's kind of dangerous when merging. I can't see anything. I have to turn my back all the time. I probably might confuse some drivers if I keep looking on one side. So yeah, sunset again. So it's like a sunset shot on the beach, but it has a a rock, low tide pool with rocks on them. So I'm gonna get some water puddle down there if we can, and hopefully right here. Oh, there is a row here. Oh, I gotta show her. Yeah. Ooh, shit. That's nice.
I remember watching it like when you go on the
So the photo shoot just over. We were over there. The sunset's over there, but we are down a little bit to take the photo. So yeah. So we'll see how the result of the photo gonna be when we go Lightroom.
Is it so hard to let you go? You it so hard to let you go?
That was fun. When I get low and I get in position, put my butt out, you know, knee out, everything, it's like, the bike feels more like agile, like easier to move instead of like really hard to turn when I upright. Yeah. Sometimes even I lean for that corner, I feel like it's so agile. I don't even need to like push or lean that much. It's like, wait, I feel like I'm not overdoing it. That's where my mind come out when I take that turn over there.
So why is it so hard to let you go?